Hyderabad. As the country awaits the arrival of the rainy season, the India Meteorological Department, IMD, on Tuesday forecast its probable advance into the South Andaman Sea, parts of Southeast Bay of Bengal, and Nicobar Islands by May 19. It is possible that the monsoon could arrive over the state on schedule, after its onset in Kerala on June 1. The monsoon would reach Rayalaseema around June 6 and then reach Telangana. Last year, the monsoon entered the South Andaman Sea on May 19. An IMD report in April had said that the monsoon showers between June and September were likely to be above normal, at 106% of the long-period average, LPA, over the southern peninsula. Telangana along with any parts of the southern states and Goa are expected to witness scattered to widespread rainfall, thunderstorms, lightning, and gusty winds ranging from 30–50 km/h during this period. In Telangana, the IMD Hyderabad issued a yellow alert for various districts, predicting thunderstorms accompanied by lightning and gusty winds. The weather pattern is expected to affect multiple regions including Hyderabad, Rangareddy, and several others, posing potential challenges for residents. On Wednesday, thunderstorms with 30 to 40 kmph winds are expected in isolated areas across Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Medchal Malkajgiri, Vikarabad, Sangareddy, Adilabad, Komaram Bhim Asifabad, Mancherial, Nirmal, Nijamabad, Jaishankar Bhupalapalli, Mulugu, Bhadradri Kotagudam and Khammam districts. Similar conditions are forecast for the following days, with increased wind speeds reaching up to 50 km/h in some regions. On May 16, districts such as Jajatal, Rajanna Sirsia, Karimnagar, and Peddapalli are expected to experience heightened storm activity. As the week progresses, the IMD continues to caution against potential disruptions due to severe weather conditions. For Hyderabad and its neighborhood, the IMD predicted a partly cloudy sky with light to moderate rain or thunder showers accompanied by gusty winds in the evening or night over the next 24 hours. The maximum and minimum temperatures are expected to be around 37 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius respectively, with surface winds likely to be easterlies at speeds of 6 to 40 kmph. The forecast for the subsequent 48 hours indicates similar weather patterns, with temperatures hovering around 39 degrees Celsius during the day and 27 degrees Celsius at night, and southeasterly winds prevailing.